Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to watch DirecTV on your phone. First, unlock your phone and open your App Store. If you are on iPhone, open the App Store. If you are on Android, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type DirecTV or DirecTV Stream. When you see the official app, tap the download or install button. Wait a few moments for it to finish. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. The app will load and show you the welcome or sign-in screen. Next, sign in using your existing user ID and password. Make sure you enter the correct details linked to your DirecTV account. If you do not remember your password, you can use the Forgot Password option to reset it. After signing in, you will be taken to the main screen of the app. From here, you can start watching content right away. To watch live TV, tap on the Live TV section and browse through available channels. Select any channel you like and it will start playing. If you want to watch movies or shows, go to the On-Demand section. You can scroll through categories or use the search option to find something specific. Tap on the title and press play. Thanks for watching.